Wait, before you go anywhere, let me ask you one small thing. Did you ever have a dream, a quiet dream, a dream you kept inside your heart, and one day did it come true?
Maybe it came true loudly, or maybe it came true very, very quietly. So quietly that you almost missed it.
Today, we talk about that feeling, the moment your dream comes true and your heart goes, oh, this is it.
Stay with us. This one is special.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Mr. English Podcast, the happy little place where we learn easy English with real talk. I'm Emma.
And I'm James. Hello, everyone. So nice to be back with you again.
And before we start, friends, please do one small thing for us. Click that subscribe button. It helps us a lot.
Yes, please. And if you like this show, share it with a friend who is also learning English. Tell them, hey, listen to Mr. English Podcast. That's the name. Easy to remember.
Sharing is caring, right?
Always. Okay, Emma. Today's topic, dreams. I love this one.
Me too. James, can I ask you something?
Is it a small question or a big Emma question?
What is an Emma question?
An Emma question starts very small, like, hey, do you like tea? And then 2 minutes later, I'm thinking about my whole life.
Okay, yes, this is a big Emma question.
I knew it. Go on, I'm ready.
Did your dream ever come true, but in a quiet way, not a big way?
Quiet, you say.
Yes, no big party, no loud music, no people clapping.
No running in slow motion?
No, James, no slow motion today.
Good, I am not ready to run in slow motion. My knees say no.
I mean the opposite of big, like nothing special is happening. You are just sitting in a normal moment, and then suddenly you think, wait, I used to wish for this.
Oh, yes. Yes, I know this feeling. It happens more than people think.
Right?
We think the dream will come like a big movie with music and lights, but sometimes it comes very quiet. Same room, same old shirt, same tired face.
But inside, something feels different.
Exactly. Inside, everything is different.
And friends, that is the feeling we want to help you talk about today in easy English.
So this show is for beginners. Very simple words, short sentences, slow and clear.
And we will learn some useful words too, words about dreams and small wins.
Okay, Emma, now I want a story. Tell me a real one.
Ooh, I have one, but you go first.
Me? Okay. This happened last month.
Last month, so new.
Yes, and it sounds very small. Are you ready for small?
Small is good. I love small.
Okay, so I was at home. It was night, maybe 10 o'clock. I was making dinner, just rice and eggs, nothing special.
Rice and eggs. Very real.
Very real. And on the kitchen wall, there was a calendar, an English calendar with English words, the days, the months, little notes.
Okay.
And I read it. Fast, easy, no problem. And then I stopped. Because, Emma, a few years ago, I could not do that.
Oh.
A few years ago, English was so hard for me. I would look at a calendar and feel scared. So many words, my head felt full and empty at the same time.
Full and empty? I know that feeling.
Right? My eyes would jump around. What does this mean? What is that word? And I felt slow. I felt small.
That sounds hard.
It was. So my dream was simple. I just wanted to read English. Easy English, without fear, without stopping. Just read and understand.
That is such a real dream.
And that night, with my rice and eggs, I read the calendar and I felt nothing. No fear, just easy.
No fear at all?
No fear. And that was the strange part. Nobody clapped. Nobody said, wow, James, you can read English now.
But you knew.
I knew. I just stood there with my spoon and thought, this used to scare me, and now it's easy.
That is a breakthrough.
It felt like one, but a soft one, like a small light turning on inside me.
I love that. A small light.
And I did not get there in one day. No way.
No?
No. Some days I was lazy. Some days I read one line and closed the book. Some days I read nothing.
One line?
One line. And then, okay, that's enough for today, James.
One line counts.
It counts. But I kept coming back, slowly. Not every day, not perfect, but enough.
Maybe that is being strong.
Maybe. But at the time, it didn't feel strong. It just felt like, okay, try again, one more time.
That makes it feel so real.
I think so. Being strong is not always pretty. Sometimes it just looks like trying again when you're tired.
Yes, so true.
No big energy, no perfect mood, just one more small try.
And that still counts.
It does. That's how my dream came true. Not in one big day, slowly, by coming back to the same little dream.
That is so nice to hear.
Why?
Because many people think, I still feel scared. Maybe this dream is not for me.
Yes.
But maybe being scared is just part of the road.
Yes, scared does not always mean stop.
Sometimes it means go slow.
Go slow, but go. Okay, Emma, now your story. You asked that question like you had a story ready.
I do.
I knew it. Tell me.
When I was young, I had a small dream. I wanted to make people smile. I wanted to help people feel happy. With my words, with my voice.
Happy how?
Like when someone is sad and then they hear something kind and they think, oh, I'm not alone.
That sounds just like you.
Does it?
Yes, you have warm energy, like a cup of hot tea.
Oh, I will take that.
Please do.
But for a long time, the dream just stayed in my head. I wanted it, but I was also scared of it.
That is a hard mix.
So hard. One part of me said, do it, try. And the other part said, no, please don't. What if you are bad at it? What if people don't care?
Ah, the voice inside.
Yes, my inside voice was very busy. It worked all day, no rest.
Mine too. Mine works all night.
So I waited. I said, maybe next month, maybe when I'm ready, maybe when I am better.
And the dream just waited too.
It did, quietly, maybe a little angry with me.
So what changed?
Honestly, I got tired.
Tired?
Tired of waiting, tired of saying not yet. One day I thought, I can't keep doing nothing.
That is a turning point.
It was. I did not feel brave. I just felt, okay, enough waiting.
So what did you do?
I tried something small. I helped one friend with her English. Just one friend, one small chat.
And?
I was so nervous. My hands were cold. My words came out funny.
Cold hands, yes.
But she smiled, and she said, Emma, that helped me. Thank you. And I just stood there.
You didn't say anything?
I couldn't. My heart was so full because that was the dream, to help one person feel a little better.
That was your milestone.
Yes, a quiet milestone. To her, it was a small thank you, but to me, it was huge. It felt like a little voice saying, keep going. This is right.
Sometimes a milestone is not a big prize. Sometimes it is just one thank you.
Yes, and that one thank you stayed in my heart for years.
You know what is funny about dreams?
What?
Before they come true, they look so big, so shiny, far away.
Like they belong to a different life.
Yes, you think, when my dream comes, life will be perfect.
But when it comes, life is still normal.
Exactly. You are still you. Your room is still messy. The dishes are still dirty.
Sadly, yes. The dishes do not care about my dream.
The dishes care about nothing.
Nothing at all.
But under all that normal life, there is a quiet feeling.
Like something moved inside you.
Yes, you still have bills, you still have a tired back, but now you also have, I did it. I made this happen.
That feeling is so strong.
It really is.
And I think our listeners know this feeling with English.
Oh, yes, for sure.
At first, English feels like a far dream.
You hear fast English and you think, how? How do they speak so fast?
And you feel slow.
Or shy.
Or you know the word, but it just won't come out.
Yes, the word is hiding.
It runs away.
But then one day something small happens.
You understand a song.
You answer a question, fast, no thinking.
You write a comment in English.
You talk for 30 seconds and you don't stop.
And it feels like a tiny dream came true.
Maybe not the whole dream, but a small piece of it.
And that piece gives you hope.
I also think dreams feel sweeter when we remember the hard part.
Really?
Yes, If everything is easy, the win feels small. But if it was hard, the win feels deep.
That is true.
Like my reading dream. If reading was always easy, it would mean nothing. But it was hard. So now it means a lot.
The hard part gave it weight.
Yes. And when it came true, I was not just happy, I was proud of the old me, the me who kept trying.
Quiet pride.
Yes, the kind you don't shout about. You just know.
I had that feeling too.
When?
One day I was cleaning and I found an old notebook.
Oh, old notebooks are dangerous.
So dangerous. Old dreams, old handwriting, old me.
That is a lot for one little book.
So much. I opened it and I saw something I wrote long ago. It said, "One day I want to help people feel happy."
Wow.
I forgot I wrote that. I just stood there and I thought, little Emma, you would be so happy now.
Oh, that got me.
Me too, because sometimes we run so fast to the next thing and we forget. We are already standing inside an old dream.
Already standing inside an old dream.
Yes,
That is beautiful, Emma.
it made me feel thankful and a little teary.
The good kind of teary.
Yes, the good kind.
So if someone is listening and they have a dream that feels far away, what do you say?
I say start with what you have today.
Not the perfect plan.
No, not perfect time, not perfect words, not perfect courage, just today.
One small step.
Yes, one sentence, one page, one try, one little hello in English.
And don't hate the small start.
Please don't. The start feels silly sometimes.
It does, but later that start becomes part of your story.
The first mistake.
The first shy try.
The first day you almost gave up, but you didn't.
That is where the dream grows.
I would also say protect your dream.
What do you mean?
Sometimes people laugh at your dream because they only see where you are now.
That hurts.
It does, but they can't see what is growing inside you.
So don't tell everyone?
Tell the people who make you feel brave, not small.
I love that.
And keep working. Quietly.
With being strong?
With patience.
And maybe with coffee?
Or tea.
Fine. Coffee and tea. Both help dreams.
That is fair. James, can I say one more thing?
Always.
I think a dream coming true is not only about getting something.
What else is it?
It is about becoming someone.
Hmm.
You become the person who tried, the person who stayed, the person who kept going on hard days.
And when the dream comes, that person comes with it.
Yes, that is why it feels so deep.
You are happy for the dream, but also happy for the journey.
The shy first step.
The quiet practice.
The small mistakes.
The I almost quit days.
And then the breakthrough.
The moment when you think, I can do this.
Maybe every dream needs that line.
I think so. I can do this.
Even if my voice shakes.
Even if it takes a long time.
Even if no one sees it yet.
I can do this. Okay, Emma, one last question.
Okay.
When your dream came true, did it feel how you thought it would?
No.
Better or worse?
Different.
That is a very honest answer.
I thought it would feel like a big party, loud and happy all the time.
And
Sometimes, yes, but mostly it feels calm.
calm?
Yes, like something inside me can finally rest.
That's lovely.
It's like my heart says, thank you for not giving up.
Oh, that's the line.
Maybe that is what a dream coming true really feels like.
Your heart saying thank you.
Yes, for trying, for staying, for every small step, and for the breakthrough that finally came.
Even if it came quietly.
Especially if it came quietly.
Because quiet dreams can still change your life.
And small steps can take you very far.
So friends, maybe your dream is not done yet.
Maybe you are still at the messy start.
Maybe you still feel shy.
Maybe you are still learning one word at a time.
But please, don't run away from your own dream.
Stay with it.
Protect it.
Grow with it.
And one day, in a quiet moment, you will look around and think,
Wait,
my dream came true.
and that will be a beautiful day.
Okay, Emma, today we learned some really nice words.
Yes, let's say them again, slowly, so they stay in our heads.
Our first word is milestone.
Milestone.
Milestone. A milestone is a special point in your journey. Like you spoke English for 1 full minute. You can say, that was a big milestone for me.
Nice. Our next word is patience.
Patience.
Patience means waiting calmly without anger. You can say, I need patience to learn English.
Good one. Our next word is dream.
Dream.
A dream is something you really want for your life. You can say, my dream is to speak English well.
Lovely. Our next word is proud.
Proud.
Proud means you feel good about something you did. You can say, I am proud of myself today.
Such a happy word. And our last word is breakthrough.
Breakthrough.
Break through. Breakthrough. A breakthrough is the moment when something finally changes. You can say, I had a breakthrough when I spoke without stopping.
So today we have 5 words: milestone, patience, dream, proud, and breakthrough.
5 happy words. Now, friends, here's a small tip. Don't just hear these words, use them.
Yes, say them out loud right now. Make your own sentence, even a simple one.
Because words you use are words you keep.
Beautifully said.
Okay, friends, now it's your turn to talk a little.
Yes, this is the part where you speak. Don't just listen, use your voice.
I'll say something, then you answer out loud, okay?
Ready? Here we go. Tell me about a dream you have. A small one is okay.
That sounds nice. And tell me, why does this dream matter to you?
Yes, I understand. Now, did you ever feel scared of your dream?
That is so normal. Being scared is okay. And what is one small thing you can do today for your dream?
Great. That is a real step. Now, say this with me. Say it loud. I can do this.
One more time, with your heart. I can do this.
Yes, I believe you. And last one. Say, I will not give up on my dream.
Beautiful. You used your voice today. That matters so much.
Aw, that was so nice.
It was. And friends, if you said even one line out loud today, we are proud of you.
That is a small milestone, a quiet one, but it still counts.
So, before we go, please remember to subscribe to Mr. English Podcast. It really helps us keep going.
And share this show with a friend who's learning English too. Sharing is caring.
And we want to hear from you. In the comments, tell us, what is one dream you are working on right now, big or small?
We read your comments. We love them. So please talk to us.
Keep going. Slowly is okay. Slowly is still moving.
Keep your dream alive. Use patience on hard days.
And when your breakthrough comes, let yourself feel proud.
Take care of your English.
And take care of your dream.
This is Emma.
And this is James.
And you're listening to Mr. English Podcast. Don't disappear from your own dream. See you next time.
Bye for now.